In this video, I want to quickly cover more of the benefits that you get from having people watch more of your videos. And it's surprisingly extremely important that people watch longer. And how do people watch longer? Of course, through amazing videos. So you got to focus on creating amazing videos, and that is a marketing strategy on its own, because if they finish the videos, if they stay longer, they'll get to the end cards where you're going to promote your next videos. So they're going to watch more of your videos. They're going to see more ads, meaning you're going to make more money directly. They're going to be more likely to subscribe. They're going to become fans, and they're going to see more videos of yours across your channel, meaning more of your videos that are struggling will actually stop struggling, and they'll get that extra boost from more views. So more videos will rank, and they'll reinforce your other videos and the original video, and so on and so on. So you'll have more stronger videos, all of which draw new viewers, and then all of which spread those viewers across your other videos. So it's actually not just +1+1, it's actually an exponential marketing strategy if you get it right. And not to mention, if all this starts happening, YouTube will start recommending you more, but also more trust and more of that engagement. If you're selling any products, that's where the product sales will happen more. If they watch more, they like what you're doing more, they'll be much more likely to buy from you if you're selling additional products.